YouTube fam, so far I have made $440 of passive income thanks to Binance Launchpools. I have been yapping about Binance Launchpools in February, in March, to Kobado April, and I keep talking about this Launchpool thing. I keep telling you guys, I keep plugging you guys, but some of you, not all, but some of you will be ignoring me. Before you watch this video, please let's make a deal. If you are new to the crypto space, if you want to make passive income using some idle money that you have in your account, yes, you know you have a 50k, a 100k, a 200k, a 20k somewhere seated in your account that is not doing anything for you. It is not making any money for you. It is just seated there doing nothing, and yet you could bring that money into crypto, you could bring that money into Binance Launchpools and make passive income risk-free, guaranteed with that money. Guys, before you watch this video, and in case you're a newbie, in case you're a beginner in this space, I want you to first open an account on Binance. Please click the link that is in our description box below to open an account on Binance. I want to link you guys with a video that explains Launchpools step by step in layman's language for a beginner like you. So pause this video, go watch this video that I'm linking right now. Watch this video because I promise you guys, I show you step by step how to get started on Launchpools as a beginner. How to buy your crypto USDT, how to swap it to FDUSD, how to move it from funding to spot, how to stake it on Binance Launchpool, and how to earn free tokens easily, guaranteed passive income with crypto. At this moment we are farming Omni, and as you continue this video you're going to see how to farm Omni tokens, see how I staked my own money to get the Omni tokens, and yeah, let's make passive income. Okay. Hey guys, we have exactly 3 days, 7 hours and 10 minutes to farm Omni tokens on the Binance Launchpool. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Olive Kyote and this is Olive Kyote Rebranded. I have been on a roll with Launchpools, and I hope by now, guys, I hope by my 8th Launchpool you have finally jumped the gun. I want to introduce you today on the 52nd Binance Launchpool called Omni. When you enter your Binance app, the first page you're going to see is your home page. Look at the bottom horizontal line. You're going to see home, markets, trades, futures, wallets. I want you to be on the home page, and then up here on the horizontal line above, I want you to see there's also another column: deposit, referral, earn, P2P, more. So you're gonna click more. When you click more, recommend is the first section. Then you're going to see common function, gift campaign, trade, and then earn. On earn, there are a few apps there. I want you to click now the Launchpad app. Once you click the Launchpad app, you're going to see the Omni token that we're currently farming on Binance Launchpool. And you can see that farming period is 4 days, meaning you have 4 days, guys, to stake your FDUSD or BNB to acquire Omni tokens. What you need to do is click on the Launchpool that you want to participate in. Do you want to be on the FDUSD pool or the BNB pool? I personally have FDUSD, so you're gonna click FDUSD. Also, you can see the project info is literally right next there, so you can visit the website and learn about Omni. It's an eigenlayer AVS that aims to connect all Ethereum rollups. So you can read more about the project, their website, white paper, research report, and also you can see the tokenomics of the token on the project info side. However, we are going to be participating on the pool side. I have FDUSD. I will stake my FDUSD, and you can see on my spot wallet I have $400 FDUSD. One thing you need to note that is you need to have your FDUSD or BNB on spot for you to be able to stake. I'm going to click max 400. I'll click stake, and finally, guys, I have successfully staked my FDUSD. Now, what is going to happen after this? I'm going to wait for the launch period to end. The launch pool will finalize on 17th April at 2:59 a.m., which is Wednesday. The token will be listed on 17th April 3 p.m. Head over to your Binance app. Your FDUSD or BNB, whatever you decide to stake, your principal amount will be automatically refunded to your wallet, and also you will see the Omni tokens automatically distributed into your wallet. And at the listing time, you will get to know the price of OMNI tokens. You can start trading OMNI. So I hope you guys are plugged in. I have been plugging you guys with Launchpools for the past 2 months now to kindly watch my videos. If you watch those 2 videos, guys, I guarantee you for a fact you're going to be good to go. Also, I'd like to let you guys know that we have a WhatsApp group available for people participating on Launchpools from the ONR community. Kindly email us at olive@onrafrica.com and I will forward the WhatsApp group link to you. So if you're interested, kindly email us. Please, let's participate on the OMNI project Binance Launchpool. Bye.